I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and today I have another very amazing, beautiful, freaking just a wig you need in your stash, okay? It is one of the wigs that you don't gotta do nothing to it. Literally, you don't gotta do nothing to it. Like the bare minimum. When I say beginner wig, I really truly do mean beginner wig. And if you have experience, it's still a wig that you need because it's just that convenient. It is a 4x6 closure wig. It's curly texture, kinky curly, although it's not giving me kinky curly vibes, it's just giving me curly vibes, but it is from Reshine Hair company. I have worked with their company before. I'm gonna leave a playlist somewhere at the top or in the description box. It's gonna be somewhere. This is 20 inches. I did cut and frame it around my face just so that, ooh, girl, you really playing, huh? You playing? Yeah. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, like I was saying, it's giving me curly vibes. It's very freaking soft. It is a pre-plucked. You do not have to pluck this wig, and I truly do mean that. And it is pre-cut. You don't even gotta cut the lace. If y'all mess up the lace every time you cut it, you don't even have to worry about it because it's already done for you. Literally, the only thing that you have to do is put it on your head. And if you're a little bit anal about how the party space is looking, Irie Poppy, all you have to do is put some concealer right here. That's it. Literally, that's it. That's all you have to do. I did nothing else to this wig. It is just that good. The construction, I'm just solely talking about the construction. Like, they are doing their thing, these companies. By far, they are now my favorite type of wigs. It cancels out using, even though this stuff is like the stuff, like I love using this. You don't gotta use this. You don't gotta use Skill Spun. You don't gotta use Bold Hold Extreme Cream or hairspray. You don't have to use anything. Poppy girl, mommy is trying to work. This lace lays so flat. It just lays super freaking flat. I just don't know. It's just freaking amazing. Super, super amazing. What else do I need to say? Okay, the other thing about the construction of this wig, it is on a dome cap. And it does not have combs. I actually like the fact that this wig doesn't have combs, and I say that because the other wigs that I tried does, and I can't wear those for multiple days at a time without taking it off because the combs put tension on my hair, and my hair comes out easily with tension. So I like the fact that this one doesn't have combs. It does have an adjustable elastic band, which makes this wig very, very, very snug. Very snug. So I don't feel like this wig is going anywhere. Don't forget to look down in the description box. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a coupon code in there for you guys to use to get some extra money off. You know, I'm always one to do a coupon, okay? I think that is about it. These wigs are super easy, super convenient. This video is going to be super short. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you. And baby, even all the worst nights, I'm into you, baby.